Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to set up FundedNext two-step authentication. First, log into your FundedNext account through your browser and look at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile picture to open the drop-down menu, then select My Profile. This will take you to your profile settings page. From there, locate and click on the security option, where you'll find all the account protection settings, including two-step authentication. In the security section, find the two-step authentication option and click the button to enable it. Once you do, FundedNext will send a verification code to your registered email address. Open your email inbox, find the message from FundedNext, and copy the security code provided. Return to the security page and paste the code into the required field. After verifying the code, a QR code will appear on your screen. Open your Authenticator app on your phone, select the option to scan a QR code, and scan the code displayed on your computer. The app will then generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter this 6-digit code on the FundedNext website to complete the setup. Once finished, two-step authentication will be successfully activated, adding an extra layer of security to your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.